Hello data scientists! Welcome to the third data science competition hosted by Synex, a predictive credit intelligence protocol powered by decentralized AI. In this datathon, you will predict financial indicators for over 16,000 public companies. Get ready to compete for substantial cash prizes available for the top 5 contenders, along with Synex points that add to the excitement. These points aren't just numbers. They will transform into Syne tokens later in 2024, when the token is officially launched. Building on the success of our first 2 competitions on Kaggle, this challenge represents a pivotal advancement in our quest to establish a groundbreaking credit rating standard for the digital asset industry and beyond. Your mission? Predict 16 crucial financial indicators for the latest quarter of numerous public firms. Dive into our robust dataset, perfectly structured for your analysis, featuring financial components extracted from the last 4 quarterly and annual reports, complemented by metadata about your target companies. The coolest twist? All the competition interactions from submissions to scoring are facilitated by our dynamic Telegram bot, making the experience not only seamless but also engaging. To jump in, just click the link to our Telegram bot in the description below. Kick things off by typing start to access all the necessary links and step-by-step instructions. Make sure to verify your email to snag some extra points, and then head over to the Earn section to discover even more ways to accumulate points. Ready to analyze? Grab the datasets and use all the competition details in the docs section of our website. You'll find everything meticulously detailed, Kaggle style, from evaluation to price distributions. When you're set with your prediction, simply submit it to the bot to see your score instantly. Curious about your standing? Use the leaderboard and submissions command to track your progress. And don't forget to use the ever-useful help command. If you're eager to discuss strategies or need some insights, join the conversation in the Synex Lab Telegram group. It's also a go-to place for all the competition updates. I wish you all the best and may the best data scientists win.